Gather around, kids. Uncle Steve's got something super important for you today. It's not about math or history, but something that will help you every single day. School isn't just about getting good grades or scarfing down those cafeteria tacos, though those are pretty important too, right? It's also about something even more fundamental: staying safe, being aware, and looking out for yourselves and each other. Safety isn't about being scared or hiding, it's about being super smart, like having a real-life superpower that you can use anytime, anywhere. It's about knowing how to handle different situations and making good choices. Think of it like a video game, your favorite one. You wouldn't just charge right into the final boss battle without a plan, would you? Of course not. You use your brain, your best power-up, to figure out the best strategy. Paying attention to what's going on around you is your secret weapon. It helps you spot potential problems before they even happen. Always look both ways before you cross the street, and if something feels off or makes you uncomfortable, tell a grown-up you trust right away. And remember to follow the rules, because they're there to keep everyone safe. When you're safe, it lets you focus on all the fun stuff, like playing with your friends, learning new things, and just having an awesome day. So, promise me you'll really listen up, because I'm about to give you the playbook, the secret strategies, to become a true safety superstar. This isn't about worrying all the time or being afraid of everything. It's about feeling confident, prepared, and ready to handle anything that comes your way with smarts and courage. So, are you ready to level up your safety game and become the ultimate safety champions? Let's get started right now and make every single day a winning day, filled with fun, learning, and most importantly, safety. Remember, your brain is your ultimate superpower, so use it wisely and always think before you act. Stay alert, stay smart, and you'll always come out on top, no matter what challenges you face. Safety is a choice that you make every single day, in every situation, big or small. Be the hero of your own story, the one who makes smart choices and keeps themselves and others safe. Now, let's dive into some awesome tips and tricks that will make you absolutely unstoppable in the safety game. You've totally got this. And remember, we're all in this together, supporting each other every step of the way. Ready to become safety superstars? Let's go. Uncle Steve's got your back, always. Morning mission time. Whether you walk, bike, or ride the bus, safety comes first. Walk with a buddy, stick to sidewalks, and avoid shortcuts. If you're biking, wear your helmet and follow the rules of the road. Ride on the right, use hand signals, and stop at signs. On the bus, wait your turn, stay seated, and listen to the driver. Keep your eyes and ears open, no distractions from games or loud music. Be a detective. Notice what's around you and stay alert. Your goal? Get to school safe and ready to learn. Every morning is a new mission, complete it like a boss. You're already crushing it. You've arrived at school. The mission continues. Remember, school is not just a place for learning, it's a community where we all look out for each other. When you're walking in the halls, remember to take it slow, no running, and always keep to the right side of the hallway. This helps everyone move smoothly and safely like cars on a road. Listen carefully to your teacher. They're your captain, guiding you through the day. They have important information to share that keeps everyone safe and learning. Keep your desk and surrounding space tidy and clear so no one trips or stumbles. A clean space is a safe space for everyone. When you're on the playground, always use the equipment the right way. Slides are for sliding feet first and swings are for swinging, not jumping off. And remember to watch out for others around you. Be mindful of your friends and classmates while playing. If you see someone get hurt or feeling unwell, tell an adult right away. Don't wait. Your quick action can make a big difference. Always trust your uh-oh feeling. That little voice inside you is often right. And if something seems off or makes you uncomfortable, speak up and tell a trusted adult. Don't keep safety worries or concerns to yourself. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to safety. Telling an adult about a safety concern doesn't make you a tattletale. It makes you a hero, protecting yourself and others. Remember, every rule in place is there to keep you and your friends safe and sound. They're not just there to be followed, but to protect. Be a leader and set a good example for others. Show them how to follow the rules and stay safe. Safety isn't just for you, it's for everyone in our school community. We all have a role to play in keeping each other safe, so stay sharp, stay kind, and always look out for your classmates. A little kindness goes a long way in creating a safe and supportive environment. You're not just a student, you're a safety star, shining bright and making our school a better place. Keep ruling your school with smarts, heart, and a commitment to safety for all. The school bell rings, signaling the end of the day. A wave of students rushes out, eager to head home. But remember, your safety mission isn't over just because you've left the school grounds. It's important to stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings. Before you even leave the building, make sure you and your family have a pre-arranged meeting spot for pickup. This helps avoid confusion and ensures a smooth transition from school to home. Once you're out there, don't wander aimlessly through the parking lot. It can be a dangerous place with lots of moving cars. If your ride happens to be running late, the best thing to do is stay put in your designated spot. Don't panic, just remain calm and wait patiently. And remember, never ever go with anyone unless they know your family's secret password. This is a crucial safety measure to protect you from strangers. Walking home today? Great. Always stick with your buddy or a group of friends. There's safety in numbers. Make sure to stay on the sidewalk, away from the road, and under no circumstances should you talk to strangers. If a stranger approaches you, even if they seem friendly, immediately walk away in the opposite direction and get yourself to a safe place, like a trusted neighbor's house or a local store. Once you're safely inside your home, the very first thing you should do is lock the door behind you. Then, follow your family's established safety plan. This might include checking in with a parent or guardian. It's also important to know exactly what to do if you happen to be home alone. Don't hesitate to call your parents or another trusted adult if you need anything at all. Remember, your job is to keep your castle safe and secure until your family gets home. You're the protector. Your safety doesn't magically end at the school door. It's a continuous journey that goes all the way home and even beyond. You've got the power to make every single day a safe one, right from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. So stay alert, stay smart, and finish the day strong, knowing you've done everything you can to protect yourself. Uncle Steve's incredibly proud of you for taking your safety seriously. You've got the playbook, now use it. Safety is about smart habits, not scary rules. Practice them until they're second nature, like tying your shoes. Share what you've learned with friends and family. Remind others to be safe, lead by example. Trust your instincts, remember your password, and always have a plan. You're in charge of your own safety, and that's something to be proud of. Go out there, have fun, and be a true safety star. You've earned it, Uncle Steve says so. Have an amazing, super safe school year.